is the turnoff to Chatham, Mississippi. We've got corn to the left and soybeans to the right. They had a snake rodeo here last weekend, yeah. And that's Old Highway 1. Lake Washington is one of the premier fishing lakes, got to be in the southeast. You have people come from all over the country to go fishing here. And the center of activity is Roy's store. They carry anything and everything for the fishermen, I think. They've got a restaurant in there. These are all cabins that can be rented. We're going to take a right. I haven't filmed down this way. We're going to go down maybe a few miles. But there's the pretty lake out there. These are all cabins for the fishermen that come down to fish. A lot of this farmland belonged to the Stein family. No relation to me. Storage house. Built by the Stein family around 1920. This cotton storage house consists of 16 pie-shaped rooms. The building was used by local planters to temporarily store their hand-picked cotton before it was moved to the adjacent Stein gin by means of a sucker system. It is among the few remaining examples of a round barn built in the late 19th, early 20th century.